Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
I think I can run.
I think I can run.
I think I can jump.
I think I can jump.
I think I can swim.
I think I can swim.
I think I can read.
I think I can read.
I think I can write.
I think I can write.
I think I can draw.
I think I can draw.
I think I can sing.
I think I can sing.
I think I can dance.
I think I can dance.
I think I can paint.
I think I can paint.
I think I can climb.
I think I can climb.
I think I can ride.
I think I can ride.
I think I can cook.
I think I can cook.
I think I can help.
I think I can help.
I think I can clean.
I think I can clean.
I think I can count.
I think I can count.
I think I can play.
I think I can play.
I think I can build.
I think I can build.
I think I can catch.
I think I can catch.
I think I can kick.
I think I can kick.
I think I can throw.
I think I can throw.
I think I can open it.
I think I can open it.
I think I can close it.
I think I can close it.
I think I can pack.
I think I can pack.
I think I can carry.
I think I can carry.
I think I can find it.
I think I can find it.
I think I can fix it.
I think I can fix it.
I think I can fold it.
I think I can fold it.
I think I can push it.
I think I can push it.
I think I can pull it.
I think I can pull it.
I think I can cut it.
I think I can cut it.
I think I can wash it.
I think I can wash it.
I think I can feed the cat.
I think I can feed the cat.
I think I can water the plant.
I think I can water the plant.
I think I can tie my shoes.
I think I can tie my shoes.
I think I can brush my hair.
I think I can brush my hair.
I think I can brush my teeth.
I think I can brush my teeth.
I think I can wear my coat.
I think I can wear my coat.
I think I can answer.
I think I can answer.
I think I can ask a question.
I think I can ask a question.
I think I can listen.
I think I can listen.
I think I can speak.
I think I can speak.
I think I can shout.
I think I can shout.
I think I can laugh.
I think I can laugh.
I think I can smile.
I think I can smile.
I think I can yawn.
I think I can yawn.
I think I can sneeze.
I think I can sneeze.
I think I can run fast.
I think I can run fast.
I think I can sit down.
I think I can sit down.
I think I can stand up.
I think I can stand up.
I think I can wake up early.
I think I can wake up early.
I think I can go to school.
I think I can go to school.
I think I can eat alone.
I think I can eat alone.
I think I can drink milk.
I think I can drink milk.
I think I can tell a story.
I think I can tell a story.
I think I can hug Mom.
I think I can hug Mom.
I think I can clap my hands.
I think I can clap my hands.
I think I can jump high.
I think I can jump high.
I think I can pick it up.
I think I can pick it up.
I think I can feed the dog.
I think I can feed the dog.
I think I can open the book.
I think I can open the book.
I think I can be kind.
I think I can be kind. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.